this show in New York City is big. We feel privileged. We feel this is a totally new beginning for us.
New York is the center of all fashion. Even people in LA will travel to here. All over the world, they will come to here for fashion. By having Coterie right after Fashion Week, it's really big advantage.
Both the fabric and the garments are more elevated, so it's worthwhile for us.
At this show, a lot of designers are visiting to source fabrics, to source textiles. I do think it's important for sourcing to be located with Coterie. This is a service for them to be able to have that immediate need filled, whether it's fabrics, notions, inspiration, art.
I think Made in New York specifically, as far as Made in USA, for the contemporary lines that we work with selling in the higher end stores, there's really only 3 places to produce: New York, Italy, and Japan.
The traffic was nice. This is the traffic we expected. We really want to focus in New York. We think New York is a place where you can reach the high-end companies that we are targeting.
We are dealing directly with buyers. It gives us an opportunity to spend a bit more time with the right people.